Hello, this is Kassem with the Blueprint News Network. New seating has been added to the outdoor commons for students to eat and study during lunch and study hall periods. Senior Executive Administrative Assistant for Building and Groundworks, Chris Blum, talks about the seating that was implemented during the week.
I didn't pick the chairs and benches. There were designs that were given to a committee of architects and designers and administrators to pick from.
Seating was put in during the week of September 27th and is wrapped up with the 6 new tables with brightly colored umbrellas and 3 new benches, all with bright pop of color to the outdoor commons. Sophomores Grace Stapleton and Olivia Nawawieska talks about their first impressions.
I like them. I think they look really good out here.
Yeah, I think it offers like a good opportunity for students to get some fresh air during the school day and just kind of break the day up.
I think they came at a perfect time because it's about to be fall and the weather is going to be like more cool, so I think it's a really good timing.
Yeah, the weather's going to be perfect soon, so I think it's good timing.
This is Kassem with the Blueprint News Network, signing off.